everybody, my name is Cody. I'm an account manager here at ProSource. I'm with Nick, he's our Emser rep. Today we wanted to talk about a few of our products that are going to be on sale through October 5th through the 10th. The first one I wanted to talk about is our Emser product. The style is Rhapsody. There's a few different ways that you can lay these. They can be applied on the wall or the floor. I'll show you on the back here. There's a few different ways to lay them. You can do a zigzag pattern, you could do a diamond pattern. You also have this really cool kind of unique arabesque style that you could do as a rug on the floor in a bathroom or as a border as well. There's tons of different things that you could do with them. You could even do it as a backsplash in your kitchen. And it comes in a few different colors. It'll come in your matte black, it'll come in your matte white, this diamond shape, and this arabesque looking tile. Nick, can you tell us a little bit more about these hexagon tiles?
Yeah, thank you, Cody. So this is one of our new series called Rhythm. It's a glazed porcelain. It comes in 4 different colors. The matte black, the black pattern finish, as well as the bright white with the pattern and the bright white matte. So what's really cool about this hex is you can use it not only on the wall, but on your floor as well. You can also install this, in your shower. You could do an entire wall, in your house with it. You could, do all types of kind of unique patterns with this this pattern on the side. I've seen people do hexes, a hex within a hex on their wall. It's commercially and residentially rated, so you really have a lot of options with this product, and it is part of the sale coming up here in October. So this is one of our cool new products. I'll pass it back over to Cody.
All right, guys, if you have any more questions about these products, you can visit our showroom website or you can call the showroom if you need any more information. Have a great day.